Hey everybody, Bill Jawitz here at Guild Mortgage. Just want to let's set some expectations for your transaction right up front so you are clear, we're clear on what we expect to take place in these 30 to 45 days of your mortgage transaction. Okay, first off and foremost, I'm just going to tell you, based on lending guidelines, regulations, things that have gone on in the mortgage industry over the last 5 to 8 years, mortgages have become a very paper trail, very documented process. Okay, we are going to ask you for things that you might not have provided, and more than likely you didn't provide on your last loan. We're going to need 2 years tax returns, sometimes 3. We're going to need 2 to 3 months of bank statements, asset statements, 401k. We're going to need you to explain deposits. We're going to need you to document additional things in your tax returns that we see, whether it's a partnership, a corporation, self-employed Schedule C, things of that nature. We're going to ask you for a lot of documentation. As frustrating as we know it is, it's as frustrating for us, we're going to do it. And one piece of paper brings up something else. So you may get us everything up front, we may come back to you for something else. You may get us that information, we may come back to you for something else. It seems like everything that we get possibly creates another question. And we just need to be super clear and lay it out for the underwriters as far as what your loan's going to look like. So as clear as we can make it, granted it's going to take some help on your side, the better it is for your loan and your loan approval. So I just want to let you know, I know it's going to be a frustrating process at times. Sometimes it's going to feel like we ask for things 2 or 3 different times. But the expectation is I want you to know it's helpful. It's going to help you, and it's going to help us get your loan approved as quickly and as smoothly as possible. So if you have any questions on the documentation, as always, let us know. Okay? We're going to status you on a weekly basis. Rachel is going to contact your real estate agents if it's a purchase transaction, both the listing and the selling agent, and we're going to contact you. Every week between Tuesday and Thursday, you're going to have an update at exactly where your loan is and where it stands, all the way up from the beginning of the process to the end when we fund your loan. Then you're going to go into a 5-year client for life program. You're going to hear from me usually on a once a month, at least 4, 5, 6 times a year basis, just to make sure, hey, everything's going well with you and your finances and your home, and if there's any adjustments we need to make to your mortgage, we can look to do so to your advantage. Okay, so just some expectations to expect up front. I like to be upfront and honest with you and just lay it out on the table. It helps you understand the loan process, helps us with the backside of our job getting things done for you, and it makes everything go along smooth. Have a great transaction. Call me with any questions.